Good evening everyone. Today at Senseacademy we are going to talk about some tools. Tools are used in every profession. Same way in ethical hacking we have some tools which we use for web pen testing, network scanning, Android penetration testing. Here is the list of some top 10 tools which are used in ethical hacking. At number one, we have Metasploitable, also known as MSF console. MSF console is a primary command line interface for the Metasploit framework, a widely used penetration testing platform for exploiting vulnerabilities in system. It allows users to load and manage modules including exploits, payloads, auxiliary scanners, and post-exploitation tools. Metasploitable or MSF console was developed by Rapid7. It enables users to customize exploit parameters such as target IP, port, payload options for precise targeting. With MSF Venom integration, MSF console can generate and encode custom payloads for use in exploitation. After gaining access, it provides post-exploitation modules to gather information, maintain access, and test lateral movement technique. At number two, we have Nuclei. Nuclei is also an open source vulnerability scanning tool that uses customizable YAML templates to identify security issues across web applications, APIs, cloud services, and other network infrastructure. So Nuclei actually does template-based scanning. It operates on a robust template system, allowing users to define custom rules for detecting specific vulnerabilities, making it highly flexible. Nuclei supports various protocols including HTTPS, HTTP, DNS, TCP, UDP, WebSocket, and more. It has an active community that contributes an extensive library of pre-built templates for detecting vulnerabilities like misconfiguration, outdated software, and security flows. Nuclei is optimized for performance and scalability, enabling fast scans across large network or infrastructure. Nuclei supports multiple output formats including JSON, Markdown, and plain text, making it easy to integrate with other tools and workflows. Users can chain multiple templates. At number three, we have Nmap, also known as Network Mapper. It is an open source tool used for network discovery, security auditing, and vulnerability assessment. Nmap excels in identifying open ports on target systems, revealing the services and applications running on those ports. It can determine the software and version running on detected services, aiding in vulnerability assessment. Nmap uses both TCP, IP, and UDP fingerprinting to identify the operating system of the target machine. The Nmap scripting engine NSE allows users to run custom scripts for advanced tasks such as detecting vulnerabilities, brute force attacks, and more. Nmap supports various scanning methods including sync scan, by default it's a TCP scan, UDP scan, and stealth scan, making it adaptable to different scenarios. At number four, we have Netcat. Netcat, often referred to as Swiss Army knife of networking, is a command line tool used for reading, writing, and redirecting data over network connections. It can perform a wide range of tasks including port scanning, file transfers, remote shell access, and network troubleshooting. Netcat supports both TCP and UDP protocols, allowing users to work with various types of network traffic. It can scan open ports on a target system, helping identify services running on a host. Netcat can be used to set up a reverse shell or bind shell, providing remote access to system during penetration testing. Netcat can establish a basic chat between two machines by connecting to the same port. Its simplicity and flexibility makes it ideal for scripting automated tasks in networking and penetration testing. At number 5, we have Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a popular web application security testing tool used by penetration testers and security professionals to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. It includes several tools such as proxy, spider, scanner, intruder, repeater, decoder for various aspects of web application testing. Burp Suite acts as a proxy server, intercepting HTTP/HTTPS traffic between the browser and server, allowing detailed inspection and manipulation of requests and responses. The scanner component identifies common web vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, accesses, and CSRF through automated testing. Burp Suite offers extensibility through plugins and scripting, enabling users to customize its functionality for specific testing needs. It is available in two main versions: the Community Edition, which is the free one, and the Professional Edition, paid with advanced tools like Scanner and more. At number 6, we have Aircrack NG. Aircrack NG is a powerful suite of tools designed for analyzing and cracking Wi-Fi network security, focusing on WEP, WPA, and WPA2 protocols. Aircrack NG is compatible with Linux, Windows, Mac OS, making it highly versatile. And also it is widely used in penetration testing and ethical hacking to audit wireless network security, ensuring vulnerabilities are addressed before exploited by malicious actors. It supports a wide range of wireless adapters and drivers, though some features may require specific hardware that supports packet injection. Once a WEP or WPA key is cracked, Aircrack NG can decrypt network traffic in real time for further analysis. Aircrack NG is a command line based tool offering flexibility for scripting and integration into larger penetration testing workflow. At number 7, we have SQLMap. SQLMap is also an open source penetration testing tool used for automating the detection and exploitation of SQL injection vulnerabilities in web application. It supports a wide range of database management systems such as including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle SQLite, DB2, and more. SQLMap automates the process of identifying SQL injection flaws and provides options for exploiting them to extract data, modify databases, and even gain system-level access. It detects and exploits various types of SQL injection techniques such as Boolean-based blind, time-based blind, error-based union query, and stacked queries. SQLMap can perform a variety of tasks such as dumping databases, listing tables and columns, and even gaining shell access through database-level privileges. It supports multiple authentication mechanisms including HTTP Basic, Digest, NTLM, and web forms, as well as cookie-based session management. SQLMap is a command line tool, making it flexible for integration into automated workflows and scripts. It includes features like support for proxy setting, Tor network routing, advanced payload customization, and out-of-band techniques. At number 8, we have JohnTheer, also known as JTR. JohnTheer is an open source password cracking tool primarily used for testing password strength and performing security assessments. It is cross-platform, available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix systems. Its main purpose is to detect weak passwords by performing dictionary attacks, brute force attack, and rule-based attacks. JohnTheer supports a wide range of password hash formats including MD5, SHA1, bcrypt, NTLM, Kerberos, and more. It offers several modes such as simple crack modes, dictionary modes, and incremental mode, which allows customized cracking based on user needs. Users can provide custom word list or dictionaries. At number 9, we have Wireshark. Wireshark is a free and open source network protocol analyzer used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software, and protocol development. Wireshark helps with packet capture. Wireshark captures live network traffic and displays it in a detailed, readable format, allowing user to inspect data at the packet level. Protocols that are supported by Wireshark are TCP, UDP, HTTP, FTP, DNS, and many more. Wireshark runs on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Graphical and command line interface. Wireshark provides both graphical and command line interface. Filters. Wireshark has powerful display and capture filters that allows user to focus on specific type of traffic, making analysis efficient. Users can export packet data to different format, example PCAP, CSV, for further analysis and share it with other tools. Security awareness. Although it is a powerful tool for legitimate network analysis, it can also be used for malicious purposes such as intercepting sensitive data, highlighting its dual nature. In 10th place, we have a social engineering tool which I am using to generate a phishing link. Social engineering is a type of attack in which we try to understand the behavior of a person, and after that we craft a phishing link so that we can get the user ID password from him. So here is an example where I am using Zphisher, and by using it I created a phishing link in my local host machine, and I will be putting on my user ID password. After putting my user ID password, I will receive it in my Zphisher tool. So this is how social engineering attack is actually conducted by using Zphisher. And social engineering is the most common type of attack.